When there is a problem with this routing setup, you use diagnostics to get insights into what might be wrong. You can see why certain work items are taking longer to assign, and you can also see why an item could be incorrectly assigned. You can take your observations from the analytics reports or also look at the ongoing conversations and diagnose the anomalies. The diagnostic records allows you to quickly identify the erroneous stages. It also allows you to identify misconfigurations that result in no matches. Finally, it allows you to diagnose delays in assignments and track why a particular conversation or case took longer time than others. Was it due to a gap in workforce skills, or was it due to some system error, or did agent reject the work assign? Overall diagnostics will allow you to minimize the mean time to mitigate any in-production or pre-production issues in routing and assignment. To show how routing diagnostics work, let's take a look at it in this demo. Diagnostics is a standout feature of unified routing. It can be found under the routing section and needs to be activated for use. Once enabled, it captures the entire routing lifecycle journey of any new work item that gets routed. This information is then presented in the form of routing diagnostics. As detailed in the previous slide, you can trace the routing path of a conversation from its creation all the way to agent assignment. In this example, service request by Claudia was routed to Sarah. This request was first categorized using classification settings, where we predicted the sentiment, attached language skills, also used intelligence to predict few more skills, and finally set the priority of the request. This request was then routed to appropriate queue using route to queue rules. Within the queue, we prioritized the request using customer tier. Sarah was assigned this request as she had all the necessary skills to handle this request. Routing diagnostics this way provides valuable insights into the routing process, helping to ensure efficient and effective customer service.